Technology like the Internet of Things can give us fun and awesome experiences, but the thing is, it can also make our lives a whole lot complicated. You probably feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of services and apps available, where even the simplest task can become difficult to manage. Luckily, there's a tool that can act as an ultimate automation service for all your internet-connected devices. The tool is called IFTTT, and it's not only very easy to use, but can also make your life a whole lot smoother. With the objective of becoming a major connectivity platform for web services, co-founders Lyndon Tibbetts and Jesse Tain founded it in 2010. Essentially, it is an automation software that allows you to make automated connections to a multitude of devices and services. IFTTT can be accessed from a website as well as from a mobile app on both Android and iOS devices, and the created automations will appear on all three platforms. More than 650 brands, services, and platforms are compatible with it. The list is exhaustive but includes products such as Gmail, Dropbox, Uber, Philips, Samsung, Amazon, Google, and many more. By connecting these services with IFTTT, you can create applets, which are the automations that control other devices for you in the background. Below we are giving some of the examples of applets that you can create with IFTTT. When you leave the house, your iRobot vacuum will carry out a thorough cleanup automatically. When the sensor on your Ecobee thermostat detects motion, you will get a notification. When the bedroom light is turned off, the hallway light will turn on automatically. There are thousands of other applets you can create to make your life more dynamic. You can create a free IFTTT account on the IFTTT website or download the IFTTT app for iOS or Android to get started. With so many applets available, IFTTT makes it easy for new users to find the one they're looking for. There are also options to search for individual applets, browse under categories like business tools, connected car, or health and fitness. On the My Applets screen, users can manage which applets they have active and see which ones have been used previously. It is possible for users to combine various services and set trigger parameters to create their own applets. Individual and business customers have several IFTTT payment plans to choose from. You can choose between two individual plans. IFTTT Standard. In this package, you can create an unlimited number of personalized applets for free and enable 3 applets that you can build from scratch. IFTTT Pro. In the Pro package, you can create and use an unlimited number of applets for $3.99 a month, in addition to creating complex, multi-step applets with conditional logic. There are also a variety of plans for business from IFTTT Team to IFTTT Enterprise, which comes with variable pricing. These plans let you add your product to the library of IFTTT services and enable you to access additional features when you start using the tool for business purposes. With the developer package, users have access to API creators, IFTTT's developer ecosystem, and an array of features not available to individuals. The developer package costs $199 per year. We recently talked to some IFTTT users to hear what makes them like IFTTT. The responses was, "With IFTTT, I can automate tasks I would rather not do myself," said one user. Another user said, "Pure simplicity is what I love about IFTTT." He then explained it's perfect for automating tasks that might seem very straightforward but very tedious to complete. A marketing coordinator said, "One of the greatest benefits of using IFTTT is its diversity and ever-increasing number of applets, a result of the site's popularity and the explosion of IoT." He further added, "The strength of IFTTT is the fact that you don't have to be an engineer or a developer to use it." Consumers are mostly the target audience of IFTTT because it's primarily geared towards making life easier for them. One of the competitors of IFTTT is Zapier, a freemium service available to regular users as well as companies and power users. Zaps are workflows of this software, which automatically triggers and automates actions between systems such as Gmail and Dropbox. You can create 5 single-step zaps for free, but to set up complex zaps, you have to pay $19.99 per month. With this package, you can connect 20 zaps and perform 750 actions a month. Microsoft Power Automate also competes with IFTTT, connecting various services and creating automations known as flows, which emphasizes business productivity. Sometimes it can be very difficult to find the right app. It's not because it doesn't exist, but because there are many applets that sound the same, so it takes some trial and error to find the right app. There doesn't seem to be a filtering system that promptly checks if the uploaded app is properly functioning or not. There's also been some examples that a non-functioning app stays on the site forever. Having pre-bundled applet suites would be the biggest area of improvement. So if you download the Home Automation bundle, you can control and configure all the home stuff like a switch, lights, thermostats from one place. The future will be increasingly voice-enabled, so IFTTT will become increasingly important for enabling interoperable with Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Siri, and other services. And we believe day by day, IFTTT will definitely improve on the flaws they have while making our life more convenient and simple. Hopefully, our video was informative enough to clear all the queries you have on IFTTT. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.